If your dog eats grass, you must do this every day. Most owners don't know this, but eating grass is a common behavior across dogs with poor gut health. And if they have bad breath, then your dog's weird need to eat grass could be an instinctive behavior to try and combat the bad bacteria in their gut that's causing their bad breath. And in fact, the most effective way to help them with this is not to brush their teeth or fill their water bowl with chemicals. Instead, you need to tackle the source of the problem, pushing the bad bacteria out of their body. This may sound weird, but over 19,567 dog owners are already doing this. So if that's the wrong way, what's the right way? The answer is this. These tasty little chews are packed with prebiotic fiber that pushes out bad bacteria causing bad breath. The result? More smell-free kisses, less mushy, watery poops, more happy, loving energy, and smooth, silky, more comfortable coats. So if you're finally ready to help your dog live the happy, healthy, comfortable life they deserve, then click the link below to learn more today.